Okay, we got new neutron pads, so let's get them on. Oh yeah. Okay, the new joints are in. We're gonna be breaking now. Real good brakes. I cleaned up the caliper a little bit too, but like I said, I ain't gonna clean it until I'm really ready. When all the parts get here, everything is ready to, you know, it's gonna be a lot sharper now. But got the back done. It's time to get the front ones on. So let's keep it moving and get these front brakes done. Let go. Sheesh, look how bad that is. This rotor is pretty filthy. Pretty filthy. Spray it down with some brake cleaner, then some simple green, and get it cleaned up. Sheesh. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see those threads are coming out pretty much toast. I might try to retap them or something, but I just use some Loctite or plumber's tape or something. But yeah, so you can see we got some leaky fork seals. As we can see, this side is just as leaky. Those forks are in bad, those fork seals are in bad shape, tell you that. It's probably the original fork seals. Previous owner probably never got them rebuilt or fixed the fork seals, so it's just something else for me to do. But I'm gonna get it done. Try to get it done myself without having to pay somebody. So let's get this cleaned up. Okay, so as we can see, that's a lot cleaner now. So let's get this wheel off, get the brake pads out, and get the new ones in. Let go. Okay, as you can see through there, those new brakes are on. We're gonna have some real stopping power now. New pads front and back. I checked the fluid on both. The fluid is pretty clear on the front and back, so we good for now. Got the axle all lubed up, as you can see the excess. Might have wiped that off, but yeah. Got this side cleaned up. That side cleaned up, forks. Hopefully I can maybe do like a quick fix for now. You know, so you can see there's oil up there on both as I was just moving the forks to make sure the wheel was straight. I'm gonna try to get maybe like get something thin to go up around in there in the seals. Maybe it's some dirt stuck in the inside of both, but I'm pretty sure both seals need to be replaced. But it's not super bad for now, but I'm gonna have to get them done ASAP. So that's it for the day. Let go.